Hello and welcome back. This is 29 and we're going to be animating the skybox. Okay, so I still have the Z transparent and the alpha on, but change the world settings around. A really good thing to do is if you have the Z transparent and the alpha on, you can hit the blue and red or blue and black, and this will give you a blue horizon almost through the clouds. It really just adds on. I suggest doing that every time you gotta use your skybox. So to start out with, right click, split the area, and go to your IPO curve editor. Alright, in top view, I'm going to select the dome and go to frame 1. Okay, hit the I key and hit location, rotation, and scale. Alright, so that locked in our dome. Now I'm just going to get the clouds to spin in this one. Okay, so what you need to do is hit up arrow about go to frame 51 area, hit the up arrow, and rotate it 90 degrees, which I can see down there in the bottom left, right here when I do it. Okay, and hit the I key. Now you can see which one dropped. It's the blue one, so right click it and hit tab to select it, or go into edit mode. Just select that handle and just grab and bring it down. Alright, went to wireframe with the Z key. Hit Alt A and you can see it rotating. It's incredibly too fast. Okay. Okay, there we go. So this in our skybox will be rotating. We'll have the horizon, we'll have the ground. Okay, so all you do is just select it, just bring it down at the angle, and how far down you go depends on the speed, and how far over depends on the frame. So like this, it'll be really slow. You don't want it too fast because when you have your camera moving, it'll look really weird when the clouds are going 10 times faster in the camera. Okay, so that's how I do this. Don't need to animate the ground. Obviously, the ground does not spin. Alright, what you can do and should do is select the dome and hit Shift D. Okay? I'm just going to bring it up. With it selected, your copy dome, hit the X key under links and pipeline, hit the X key, and it'll reset your materials for this object. Okay? I'm gonna scale it down a little bit, just a little bit, not even much. Okay, and place it inside of the other object, or your other one. Okay, so you have your outer one, and then you have your inner one. Okay? Select your inner one and just come into your material, make it all white, bring your alpha to 0, hit Z transparent. I'm going fast so we can get through this. Hit Z transparent, okay. And also, you need to do is add a texture, go to your textures panel, go to clouds, depth up, okay, and just get something like this. Something with nice black and blue contrast. Alright, go back to your materials where it says map to, or map input. Jeez, hold on. Okay, yeah, map to, you need to hit the alpha button, that's it, sorry. Okay, so with your texture selected, go to map to and hit alpha. And this will lay your texture over the alpha. Okay, so there's your texture over an invisible fill. And the same way you animated this, your other one, do the same with this one. Okay. Go up a few frames, hit the I key, or actually, don't even have it selected, I don't think. can't tell which one it is. Just bring it down inside of there. Okay. Just rotate it around, hit the I key, and there you have it. It's messed up, but just fix it on yours. Okay, I'll pause it and show you what it looks like. This is the finished skybox. Some things to note. Just make sure your outer skybox is really outer, is the furthest it can go, because the inner skybox, if it overlaps any, it might look like this right here. But other than that, this is the finished skybox. Okay, hope you enjoyed it.